Hello! I'm recreating a one-serving mac and cheese recipe by Adam Ragusea. In a small pot, add a half cup of dried elbow pasta and 1 to 2 cups of water. Add that on medium heat and boil for 6 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. Strain the water out so the pasta stops cooking. To make the cheese sauce, add a 1/4 cup of packed cheddar cheese, which took so long to get out, a 1/4 cup of American cheese, I recommend breaking it apart, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Add that on medium heat until the mixture melts and thickens. Stir constantly or the cheese will burn and separate. If the mixture thickens too much, add more milk and stir. Add in the noodles from before. Mix until the cheese coats all the noodles. This mac and cheese recipe reveals a bright and bold flavor with a very velvety creaminess.